This is the all-new Everyday Messenger by Peak Design. An urban-inspired bag, versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. We took our iconic Messenger, the one that started it all, and made it better in every way. Instant one-handed access that's quieter and easier than ever before. A revamped shoulder strap lets you carry it like this or like this, and quickly adjusts for any activity. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protective and keeps things in place. There's a spot for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to fit more? No problem. There's built-in expansion inside and outside. Now in its second generation, the all-new Everyday Messenger is lighter, more capable, more sustainable, more durable, and more aesthetically clean than ever before. The Everyday Messenger, versatile everyday carry by Peak Design.